Arrays are collections of values of the same type. While a variable can contain a single value at a time, an array can store multiple values of the same type. An array can therefore contain any number of strings or integers, but can't contain strings and integers mixed together. There are several ways to declare an array. The easiest way is to assign its values, and Swift will infer the right type. In this case, we create an array called MyScore that will hold the integers 2, 3, and 5. In case we just need to declare an array without initializing its content, we can write var MyScore int and square brackets to tell that it's not a single integer but an array of integers. It is possible to add elements to an array using the addition assignment operator or the append method. It's also possible to add multiple values with one command. Just put the values between square brackets and separate them with a comma. In case you need to retrieve a value from the array, you can use its index. Let's say you need the third element in the array MyScore. Remember that Swift arrays are base 0, so to access the first element you need to use index 0, 1 for the second element, and so on. It's also possible to specify a range of elements you need to get from the array. If you need to change the array's elements' values, you just use the equals operator, specifying what elements you need to change. Also in this case, it can be a single element or a range of elements. Okay, it's playground time again. Now we're going to create an array of integers. So write var MyScore equals, and I want my array to hold the values 2, 3, and 5. As you can see, the inspector confirms that my array is holding integers 2, 3, and 5. Now I want to add an extra value to this array. I want to expand my container. So my score, I want to add integer 9 to it, plus equal 9. And as you see, array MyScore is now containing 4 integer values, and last value is 9 that I just added. I want to add even more values. Now I want to add with one single statement 3 values to my array. So MyScore plus equals 11, 13, and 17. As you can see now, my array is containing 7 values, 7 integers. Now I want to retrieve a value from my array and store it in variable a. So var a equals, and I want the first value of my array. So I'm going to use index 0, MyScore 0. As a matter of fact, a equals 2, because 2 is the first value, the first item of my array. Now I want to change a value inside my array. Let's say I want to change the second value. So I'm going to type MyScore 1. Remember, arrays are base 0, so if I want to change the second element, I need to use index 1 equals 99. And confirms that second element of my array is now 99. And we assign this value for my array var b equals MyScore 1. And b is now equal to 99, value that I just changed before. Now I want to extract a range of values from my array and assign it to variable c. And now I want my variable var C to hold the first three values of my array. So I score 0, 2. There we go.